Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You will start by verifying prerequisites and creating a workspace. Install Xampp and Visual Studio Code, then open Xampp Control Panel and start Apache and MySQL so the server runs locally. Once done, place your project in Xampp htdocs or configure a virtual host. This tells Apache where to find your files. Make sure VS Code has the PHP and MySQL extensions installed, and your workspace points to the htdocs folder so you can edit files and save directly to the server root. Now integrate tools so you can code and debug smoothly. In VS Code, set the PHP executable path to Xampp PHP. EXESO linting and IntelliSense work, then install the PHP debug extension and create a launch. JSON that points to the Xampp port and document root. Once configured, place breakpoints and start a debugging session to step through your code. Also use Live Server or a browser preview extension against HTTP//localhost or your virtual host to quickly view changes as you save files. Finish by polishing your workflow and knowing how to fix common failures. Set up virtual hosts for separate projects and edit host file, then restart Apache to apply changes. If Apache fails to start, check for port conflicts with other apps and adjust ports or stop the conflicting service, and make sure your firewall allows Apache. When PHP behaves unexpectedly, open Apache error. Log and PHP error log to read errors, and use breakpoints in VS Code to inspect variables so you can resolve issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.